Looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Breville, the Fast Slow Pro Multi-Cooker. Pros: 11 settings, detachable cord, and automatic hands-free steam release. Owners rave about versatile cooking options that include sautéing, simmering, and steaming. Sleek curb appeal with a brushed stainless steel design. Cons: high price and a small cooking capacity. Bottom line: a well-built appliance with versatile cooking abilities and user-friendly features owners love. At number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Pros: 14 programmable settings make it easy to prepare a variety of meals with the touch of a button. Liner pot has a 3-ply bottom for added durability. By far one of the most user-friendly pressure cookers on the market. Cons: its versatility makes it well worth the investment. Bottom line: an excellent value pressure cooker. Its feature set, durability, and construction quality are unbeatable. At number 1. Ninja Foodi 8-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Pros: ceramic coated non-stick finish that is PTFE and PFOA free. Locks in juices well in chicken and meat. Its unique design makes it incredibly easy to clean. Control panel is straightforward and can be wiped clean. Cons: the machine can be a bit side-heavy and wobble, so make sure it's stable. Bottom line: this highly capable model also features 14 levels of safety, earning praise from consumers. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.